Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Etoro application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to download and install Etoro app on your Android phone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a stable internet connection. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. In the search box that appears at the top, type in Etoro and search. The application you should download will be displayed on the next page at the very top. This one's the app we are looking for that says Etoro Investing Made Social. Tap the install button in green to begin with the downloading process. Etoro is an ideal platform to engage, connect, and share strategies with others. With the Etoro application installed on your mobile devices, you can get access to more than 2,000 different financial assets, including stock, cryptocurrency, ETFs, and so much more. Once the application is installed on an Android device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Etoro application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.